Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. Hoping this will go up Thursday, but today is Wednesday, so who knows. Anyway, I'm gonna pour these little fish. They're so cute. The housemate's daughter has requested bone colored, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some bone colors, meaning white. And I was thinking about using like kind of these magic, like the Mirage ones, because I don't, other than like a straight white, right? So other than like Cast and Craft, I don't really have any other white. Maybe Mirage Red would look cool. I don't know. But, so, I'm going to grab a few of these. I'll probably mix up some different ones, see how they look in here. You'll see me mixing up a lot of resin. That's because I'm pouring a custom order for a friend of the moon. So, yeah. Let's get our resin warmed up. Let's get these poured. I'm excited to see how they look. Let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmoldings. I have a lot here. So these moons are for a special order from a coworker. And then I have to pour 2 more, so you'll probably get 2 more moons in Tuesday's video. They do need a little bit of cleanup. They are black holographic glitter. I wish I knew what the hell was causing that. I think I might need just a new mold because this one I think is messed up, but there's 1. And 2. Very pretty. And then got some more of these. I've got some cleanup to do on these. But that's very pretty. Alright. I forgot to spray this with alcohol before pouring, so there's probably some bubbles, but I'm not too terribly worried about that. Gorgeous. I'm pretty sure this one is a glow in the dark. It is. Yeah. Yay! Oh, look how good that works. And obviously, cleanup to do on this. But anyway, those are today's bonus unmoldings. Alright, friends. So these are cured. I do have some cleanup to do on these. These were very, very difficult to pour. But I did leave them a little extra long to cure all the way, so you can see, like, you know, I definitely have some cleanup to do. And I think I'm gonna let these sit for a little while longer to cure before I do like a full actual cleanup, because as you can see, they're still really bendy. These are very, very thin. Like, you know, very thin. But they turned out real pretty. This one is the glow in the dark. So we'll have to look at that with the flashlight. I hope she likes these. These actually really would be great for bookmarks. I do wish that I had sprayed alcohol in there before pouring these in, or I guess dropping the resin in, because there are quite a few bubbles, but also they're bones, so like, would I be mad if there were broken pieces? No, they're bones. Let me grab this. I'm just right chuffed with that. That is so funny that it's glowing in the dark. Here, let me turn these off. So cool. They're very pretty, all of them. Very pretty. None of the other ones are glow in the dark, by the way. I just wanted to see if I could see the different, like, colors. But, yeah. So, those are, or that is, today's video. I really like this mold set. I do have plans for it for Halloween as well. So stick around for that. I'm going to be doing 13 days of Resin Ween this year. I can't remember if I did 13 or 31 last year. I feel like I did 31. Not going to be doing that much this time around. Work is too freaking crazy. Between the death of my director and my boss suddenly quitting. You know. It's been nuts. But anyway, that is today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.